plays out. Not exactly a lot of excitement here.
But you could feel it last time, couldn't you?
Not until it starts getting closer. And for those wondering, yes, there is a second adult. Because clearly, if I weren't filming, I would really have no idea, except when it would be far too late, that the flame is almost touching the plate. As far as any kind of reactions to this, and thus far, you can hear a little bit of, definitely hearing some crackling. The only thing I can actually compare it to, and this is going to be a very odd and exotic example, the song Homecoming by Kanye West. In the very beginning of the song, for only about a second or so, you will hear a similar sound. Almost, I think, to give kind of the vibes of a vinyl record getting started. Additionally, I'm slightly concerned with the way that this is burning. So it looks like that thing's going to fall at some point here. And do not know. It's
Okay.
But yeah, or an additional example would be when you pour Rice Krispies into, or milk onto a bowl of Rice Krispies, and you just stop and listen. Which, the fact that I'm relating both of those, specifically the second one, to a sound inside of my ear is slightly disturbing. And you'll likely never view milk and that snap, crackle, pop quite the same ever again. Hopefully this makes YouTuber news.
It's like in your ear canal too, right?
Because again, snap, crackle, pop, not to get confused with Chuck E. Cheese, the pizza rat. Also, laughter while holding a large pencil-shaped object that's on fire. Not recommended. Alright. glad that these ash fails are documented. Also, we clearly had to be careful with the laughter, the timing of attempting to ash. So the open flame.
Does it burn me?
Correct. Alright. And yeah, that was. Yeah,
Oh, yep, okay.
how. Yeah, I mean, it was leaning a particular way and you went the opposite way, so. I know what I said, adult supervision, but
Shut up.
and yeah, there's 6 minutes of video of my ears. But we are nearing the bottom, so stay tuned here or fast forward, and by and large to prevent one of the non-skippable ads from appearing. Hashtag engagement.
You've done it before too.
And just for the record, I do use Q-tips like regularly, like daily. So if the results are shocking even to me, then no one can hold that against me, because it's not like I just said it. Oh, shoot.
You're good. Plate's there.
Well, I understand the plate's there, but we're getting close to the bottom here. When do I pull this thing off?
No, you still got a lot more to go.
Oh, alright.
Like it's gotta be, it'll come off when it's a quarter of an inch from the plate.
Next, I can feel the heat on the plate.
You can hold the plate if you want. You still got a while to go.
Oh yeah, there's still a ton left. It's also very tedious on the hands. Your hands get very fatigued, and it's not a good look if you have a lapse of judgment at any point in this. So we'll be figuring out here very soon if this is worth all of the risk involved. Specifically the potential hazard of a house fire.
Yeah. Oh, you have 2 people.
Alright, and you gonna blow this out, or
No. It's still
like
got a while
a
to
birthday
go, dude.
candle?
It's still got a little bit more to go, dude.
It,
Here, you can let go. I have the plate.
I don't know if blowing it out's gonna work. See the water, you may want to prepare the water.
Alright, hold on. Let it go a little bit.
Good?
Yep. I just blew it out. Cool.
Ah! Jeez. Raw and unedited. Okay.
There, hold on.
Alright. Now. How do we...
Yeah, put a little bit of water in it.
You know what? I'm like, there's no way.